So I didn't get a before shot of this one. This one is from the Anointed set from Cedar Joy's original drum set. And this one is a friend of mine that I'm going to clean this snare up. Get it all nice and clean. So it looks like that. Look at that. I didn't change that head. That is not a new head. I only cleaned the one that was on here. And it is immaculate. Came out beautiful. It just had strike marks on it. That's all it was. It just needed a little bit of cleaning oil. And next thing you know, here we are. So we're going to do this one like that as well. This one is absolutely amazing. This one is in a Ludwig set. This is from a maple set. This thing is a beast. I'm telling you, it is so amazingly well constructed. These, see that little bit of rust that's on there? That's all going to come right off. I found out an amazing technique of taking off rust from chrome. I don't even have to re-chrome it at all. That's going to come right up. Yeah, looking forward to it, and there we go. You know who you know who you are. You know who you are. Look at you, so beautiful. So if you have some light areas like this of rust and just build up on your chrome, you actually can use tinfoil. And tinfoil is a really good cleaner. Really brings back and revitalizes. I'm trying to do this with one hand, so give me a break, you guys, if it doesn't look like it's coming up. But look at that. I'm just going to do it, like I said, I'm doing this with one hand, and I'm just trying to show you. But look at that. Look at that. And that's just me doing it with one hand. But when I get into it, I can take off this whole reel, the ream, and do it more effectively and get it all cleaned out. But look at that. Just a little tinfoil, and boom. All right. This right here is the master hack. Now, like I said, I'm going to take this whole thing apart, but I didn't want to take it all apart before I kind of showed you these couple of things. And I'm just going to take a little bit of this, just spray it directly on. No, not that. I'm going to use this beat up old sponge. Look at that. Look at that. It's totally clearing it away. Now this thing is caked on there really good, if you see there. This thing is caked on good. So I'm going to do it before and after for this one so you can really see how this looks. Look at that now. And that's just with maybe 10 minutes of elbow grease. And all I did is just use this and an old beat up pad. But if I had a new pad, and I'm sure it would have came up more. And if I take it off, take everything apart and clean up, yeah, that'd be better. I could fake you out and just put a new one up there. But I don't roll like that. So I'm gonna get the rest of it all cleaned up. I'm gonna take these all off and clean them with just a little bit of water and dry them up really good. Clean them off. Make sure there's no debris or anything on them. If the rust has eaten through the chrome, then that's not going to be able to be repaired, but the rest of it would be. And if all I have to do is kind of spot chrome and just, respray the whole thing, then that's what I'll do. I'll just respray the chrome. I've chromed before, so there we are. But look at those gears. Look at that. That is so old school. If you know what you're looking at, then you know what you're looking at. That's the point. Yeah, so I'm going to get the whole set cleaned up. This is the snare. So this is a 10 key snare. It is 10 inches, and that joker pops, boy. I mean, it is. And then that one down there, that is so bright, so snappy, so crunchy. Oh my goodness. That right there, that is the trap snare right there. That thing is beautiful. This one is for some straight up rock and roll. This thing is a beast. I'm telling you, it is a beast. It's a Ludwig. I think it's from a '67 maple set that I think my friend was telling me. I'm gonna do a little bit more research on it, but yeah, that's the Ludwig set and the Yamaha, both snares. But I'm blessed to be able to have both of the sets to be able to put together and play at will. So thank you very much. See you again soon. Oh, goodness. All right. Back to cleaning the church.